In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in WordPress. Indenting text can enhance the readability of your posts or pages by providing a visual cue that helps differentiate sections or highlight specific content. Whether you're narrating a story or writing a formal article, mastering text indentation can add a professional touch to your WordPress site. First, let's start by navigating to WordPress.com. This is your home base for managing your website content. Once you're logged in and on the WordPress dashboard, you'll want to focus on the left-hand menu. Here, find and click on Pages. You'll see a list of your existing pages. Choose the one you wish to work on by clicking its title. Next, you'll need to enter the editing interface for that page. So, click on the Edit button. It's usually located near the page title and lets you modify the content. In this editor, look for a paragraph block where you want to apply indentation and double-click on it. This ensures that the specific block is selected and ready for customization. Now turn your attention to the right side of the screen. Locate and click on the Block tab in the editor's sidebar. This area contains customization options specifically for the block you've selected. Within the block settings, click on Dimensions. This will provide you with options related to the size and spacing of your block. From here, find the Padding option. Padding is the space inside the block, and adjusting it helps create indentations. To further refine this process, click on the three dots associated with the padding settings. This action opens additional configuration options. Within this menu, look specifically for the option that says Unlink Sides, and click it. This step is crucial as it allows you to adjust each side of the padding individually, which is exactly what you need to achieve the perfect indent. With your sides unlinked, focus on the left padding control. Click and drag this control to the right. As you do so, you'll notice the paragraph starting to indent. Continue to drag until you reach your desired level of indentation. This visual shift is the indent effect you were aiming for, and you can easily see its impact right on the page. The indentation is now applied, neatly shifting your paragraph text over. Remember, the right amount of indentation can make your page look organized and professional, while enhancing readability for your audience. With these steps, you're well equipped to apply professional-looking text indentations across your WordPress site. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.